Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create rooms on the Roborock app. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to create different separating rooms in their Roborock app. How do you actually go ahead and do so? Either way, this video is also going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But what you're first going to do is that you're going to go on your Roborock app and then enter the robot vacuum that you want to go ahead and edit a room for. Next, on the upper right hand corner, you want to click on the map icon, which looks like pencil is drawing on it. You want to click on the map icon, which looks like a pencil is drawing on it. And then from here, you want to click on edit room. Next, what you want to do is that you want to click on the divide option. And as you can see, there's different rooms that you can divide. So we're just going to click on the room on the bottom. And then notice how when you click on it, this red line appears. So you're going to use this red line as a segregating line to separate different rooms together. So as you can see, we have a line right over here. We're just going to click on the check mark, and then we need to make sure that a line is drawn until a solid line appears. So right now it's too close to my vacuum. There you go. So there's the solid line, and then click on the check mark. So now once we go back, we should have now created another room, and as you can see, it's now been divided. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and create rooms on Roborock app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.